Kneel down gently and sit back on your heels. Keep your back tall. Rest your hands on your knees. Take a slow breath in and a soft breath out. Come on your hands and knees like a little table. Breathe in, lift your head and tail, become a happy cow. Breathe out, round your back, become a sleepy cat. Kneel down and slowly fold forward. Rest your forehead on the mat like a sleepy bunny. Stretch your arms in front or relax them by your sides. Take a slow breath in and a long breath out. Stand tall, then bend your knees like you're sitting on an invisible chair. Lift your arms up to the sky. Keep your back strong and your smile bright. Take a slow breath in and out. Step 1 foot back and bend your front knee. Turn your back foot slightly and stand tall. Lift your arms up like a brave warrior reaching the sky. Take a deep breath in and out. Continue the same on other side. Stand tall, then slowly lean forward. Lift one leg back like an airplane wing. Stretch your arms forward and balance carefully. Continue the same on other side. Stand with your feet a little wide and slowly squat down. Keep your heels on the floor if you can. Bring your hands together at your chest. Take a deep breath in and out. Sit tall and bend one leg in front. Slide the other leg back behind you. Lift your chest proud like a king or queen. Reach your hands back if you can. Continue the same on other side. Lie on your tummy and place your hands under your shoulders. Press gently and lift your chest like a rising cobra. Keep your elbows soft and shoulders relaxed. Lie on your back and bend your knees. Place your feet flat on the mat. Press your feet down and lift your hips up like a strong bridge. Keep your arms by your sides. Lie on your back and hug your knees to your chest. Wrap your arms around your legs like a cozy ball. Gently rock side to side if you like. Take a slow breath in and out. Lie down on your back and let your whole body rest. Close your eyes softly. Let your hands and legs be loose and relaxed. Take a slow breath in and a gentle breath out. feel quiet, peaceful, and happy inside.
If you loved our Elsa yoga adventure, tap the like button and tell me your favorite pose in the comments. Subscribe for more!